Hello, today is stain day. So we're staining all the pine parts of the fly fisherman's cabinet, the bottom portion of this. So we're putting on some gunstock stain to kind of match that sapple once the sapple has been soaked in Watco. So we've got the interior shelves and the door all stained up, and the effect looks about what I expected. There's a lot of finishing that needs to be done here to get everything to match, and overall there's some touch-ups that need to be done, but it's coming along. We made a good progress, especially considering the heat outside, and I just can't work outdoors that much in the heat. So it's coming along. We've made a lot of progress. This one will probably be done in the next day or so, and then we'll begin working on the top.